Selamat pagi. This morning we lucky lah. So before the have landing, so makes this cool down, makes our heart cool down. Maybe makes our slope waist movement lah. The one thing we can learn this morning, selamat pagi for all of you, no? Obstacle is a test of determination. อุปสรรคเป็นบททดสอบความมุ่งมั่นของเราครับ Never back down, never give up. Successful not mistake about the feel down, but how by we get back and work more and more. ความสำเร็จนั้นไม่ได้วัดที่ว่าคุณล้มเหลวกี่ครั้งแต่วัดจำนวนครั้งที่คุณลุกขึ้นมาใหม่เสมอครับก็สมัครปากี for all of you for this morning's happenings already นะก็ happy lane also ล่ะcontinue line or not on the TikTok on happy lane นะ app line นะ you can so continue already about it happy lane so now for wait ล่ะ today we have keep working on 31 kilometers one day and other ไปถึงวันเดย์ที่สุดสังฆะทุดงthis year ก็อนุโมทนาอยู่ follow for like for comment and say สังฆะสังฆะทุดงก็ maybe waste not a lot of waste but we are happy because we have the motivation we have support from all of you are the part of Tudong this year for support at least minimum you didn't come but you send a good energy you send a compassion from your heart you send feeling good our Sangha our office ก็อนุโมทนาก็พบอยู่ก็be happy sehat bahagia for this morning semua terima kasih for everything you do for the good thing for your heart for yourself for your family for your friends and for your city for your country for this world so we hope God peace in our heart and set the peaceful to the other side beside make all the peace and happen in our world we work for harmony we work for tolerance we work for peace and for peace together more and more อนุโมทนา for you for support อนุโมทนาterima kasih for สาธุขอท่านส่วนนี้ส่วนด้วย